Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the packet burst loss in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is you can go over to either Steam or Xbox app, wherever you have the game downloaded on. You can right click on it and then you can hit properties, and then from properties go over to the compatibility tab. And you want to check two boxes. The first box you guys want to check is run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then the second box you guys can check is run this program as an administrator. Once you go ahead and check those two boxes, hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and X out and then open up Steam or whatever device you're on, and then try to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is, if you have it on Steam, you can go over to Call of Duty and right click on it, hit properties. From properties go over to installed files and then hit verify integrity of game files. Once you go ahead and finish that, you should be good to go, and you should now all be set. You can go ahead and always restart your PC as well, because that does tend to help. And yeah, that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.